Hey everyone, here's your week with Zeke up at property here on Doe Mill Ridge. It's kind of some of the lowest elevation pine forest in Butte County, and this is a property where we've been burning with the Butte Prescribed Burn Association for the last 4 or 5 years. Burned a lot up here, and we're kind of working on pushing out from the area that we've already burned to burn some more brush and kind of create a regional scale fuel break on this ridge, because this is kind of a linchpin between Butte Creek Canyon, which is really inaccessible, and Forest Ranch. And so there's some really wild land here in the foothills above Chico, and we're kind of whittling away at trying to establish a footprint here of reduced fuels and then burn out from that. So I'm up here today for a meeting with the landowner and CAL FIRE. We're working on a burn plan for this property, and hoping tomorrow to burn some brush up here. I haven't done a lot of brush burning, so we're kind of trying to find places that we can just start doing it and learning. But it's nice to come to a place that we've burned a lot and see kind of how open it is. There's ferns, but we've reduced a lot of the small shrubbery and also a lot of the pine needles that have been here for a long time without fire on the ground. So this week we're supposed to get some precipitation, so we've kind of been just watching the seasonal change here. We kind of had above average temperatures in March, and things started to get pretty brown pretty quickly. So kind of we're not quite into fire season here in Northern California. There's been some fires in Southern California. They were wind driven in dry grass. Here we're going to get some more precip, and so it's actually going to add to our fuel loading. The grass that's brown may stay brown, but more green grass is going to come up and then turn brown. So we're going to, this pulse of moisture here is going to give us more fine fuels that could contribute to fire spread later in the season. So it's a good time of year to mow your grass, and know that you might have to mow a few more times before it's done growing. But all those little things you do this time of year, of all the things to do for preparing for fire season, mowing your grass is kind of one of the biggest, just because grass carries fire quickly. And so a simple thing like really mowing well within 100 feet of your house or even 50 feet of your house can make the difference. You're losing your home to a grass fire. Other stuff we got going on right now is just still building up our Type 6 fire engine to come out and do burns like we're going to do tomorrow. So we'll have some footage probably of that in action, made possible in large part by you guys, lookout contributors. Other stuff we've been doing is just trying to keep some tabs on the war, and the geography videos we made for the Iran war really kind of, it surprised us. We got over 300,000 views on our videos on Iran, just looking at the geography and how that affects kind of the playing field, as it were, for warfare. So I've been staying busy. We're putting this week with Zeke out publicly, but usually these are on Patreon. And so Patreon's a way that you can support this channel. Patreon subscribers get a weekly video from me talking about what we got going on. And so there's an example. We appreciate all your guys' support. And just here comes another fire season. But in the meantime, we still got some opportunities to prescribe fire, and that's what we like doing best. So your support makes it possible for me to do this. So thanks a lot.